Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful nursing home layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the nursing home layout pack for Divi. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. Clean, but it's very unique, and you can use this for any kind of small business website that you want to build if you enjoy the style and the look and feel of this layout pack. So if you want to check it out for yourself, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. Then over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with this layout pack for free, so you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create a website, or you can scroll down until you come across the nursing home layout pack. And if you click on it, you will be able to see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So again, all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually installing it on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoy the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our pre-made layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the nursing home layout pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your page design. So say for instance you want to generate a sticky effect over here within this section where as soon as you scroll past this row it turns sticky and it holds on to it until the end of the section. You can do that easily using Divi's built-in options. So first we're going to generate a little bit of space at the bottom of our section for that. So I'll go to spacing over here. I'm going to add 500 pixels to the bottom of my section. So this is the space that we're generating for this row to turn sticky and, follow us down the page. And then I'm going to open the row settings, go to the advanced tab, go to the scroll effects, and over here I'm going to select stick to top, and the bottom sticky limit is going to be section. Now when I scroll past this, it will turn sticky and it will follow us to the end of the section container. And just like that, we've added a advanced effect to our page design, and you can do that for any kind of element throughout your page. And basically use Divi to generate a beautiful website that's unique to your own business. So go ahead and play around with this beautiful layout pack in Divi and create a stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.